If you have an import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video because I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to pay multiple supplier on 1688 with just a simple step. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to pay multiple supplier at once on 1688. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 app right here. So I'm going to open up my 1688. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add all the item to cart from different supplier. If you don't know how to add an item to cart from different supplier, consider to check the video on my channel and see how to add different item to cart from different supplier. After you have successfully added the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to fill your cart. So all the items is going to be found right here. So these are all the items from different supplier that I'm going to purchase and make payment for straight up on 1688. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to select all the items. Having selected all the items, so you can see all the item has been fully selected. These items here are different color, different sizes from different supplier entirely. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can check the preview of all the items from the checkout right here before you proceed to payment to each and every one of the supplier. So I'm paying the sum of 88.87 yuan to purchase all these items from different supplier. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I have to make sure that my Alipay is selected this way. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button right here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment, then enter my payment password. It's as simple as that. So we purchase from different 9 supplier at the amount of 88.87 yuan. The next thing I'm going to do is to go back, click on here to go back to my profile. For me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, all the 9 different items I just make payment for is going to be found right here, just like what you see right here. So let's check it out. So here is all the items we just make payment for on 1688 step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about China importation business like this, you will be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.